Taking matters in their hands, it's what residents of Mocho Clarendon have had to do for what they declare is their safety. TVJ Shamela Pollen explains.
Overgrown trees and bushes covering sections of the Mocho Main Road in Clarendon, a danger to residents, taxi operators and others who traverse the area. The residents complain that the bush encourages criminal activities.
The road narrow, 2 vehicles hardly can pass. And we chuck them back out, you have to tap and go in the bush. And every day mirror lick off, car creep up.
Which is why residents and taxi operators joined forces to rid the area of the trees. They say the problem has been around for the past 10 years and their political representatives have failed them on many occasions.
It's Ascot and Mr. Pernell Charles. I'm going to see none of them come through. Right now people are getting wrapped down here. Children are getting raped where I go to school because my daughter got 4 paws all age, you know. And right now the road's scary. Not even a light. The road now bush. And them say how much money grant were there. And the Christmas are gone nice. And none no run around here.
But that is not the only problem. The residents say in addition to the overgrown trees, there are other issues which they want addressed.
We need this hole to fix. It's about 6 foot or 7 feet deep down there. You know, so we are asking somebody to take this in hand and fix this hole for us.
We appreciate the pipe, but we need that piece of road to fix. Why? The road is already narrow.
Yes, sir.
And I lose 2 mirrors there sometime last month, and since this month I lose 2 mirrors because the road is narrow and they dig it up and leave it. So we are asking them just to repair it back.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.